Hey guys, and welcome back to Beeskitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I am going to show you how to make this simple, easy, delicious egg fried rice, which is definitely better than your local takeout. So stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. In this bowl, I have my cooked rice, which I cooked the day before. So the rice is a day old. And I'm using AAA rice. Of course, you can use any rice of your choice. I have some eggs, some spring onions, white pepper, black pepper, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, Himalayan salt, and some vegetable oil. As always, all ingredients, including measurement, will be in the description box below. I'm going to begin by seasoning my eggs using white pepper, black pepper, and Himalayan salt. Now time to get started on making a fried rice. So my wok is actually hot and I've just added some oil. I'm now going to mix together all the eggs and I'll add it to the wok. I'm just scrambling the eggs on medium to high heat. Eggs doesn't take that long to cook, so this should take about 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, the eggs have fully cooked. I've just made a little bit of space in the middle of my wok, and now I'm just going to add my cooked rice. And you're probably wondering why I am using a day-old cooked rice. Now, once you've cooked your rice the day before, you've left it in the fridge overnight, the rice grains will firm up, and this will make it a lot easier for the rice grains to separate whilst you're making your fried rice, compared to if you left your rice and you cooked it the same day and you used it in your fried rice, the rice can clump up and be mushy. So guys, make sure you cook your rice the day before. I'm now just adding some light soy sauce. I will also add some oyster sauce, and of course, depending on how rich you want your fried rice, you can add more or less. Next, I will also add a little bit of black pepper, and you can certainly add chilies to your fried rice, and I'll continue to mix everything together well. I am happy with the color of my egg fried rice. I'm just going to add some spring onions for extra pop of color. And guys, the egg fried rice is ready and it smells amazing. It tastes way better than my local Chinese egg fried rice. As always guys, I really do hope you enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel, and please don't forget to turn on that notification bell, which will notify you when I post delicious recipes like this. Look at this beautiful egg fried rice. Enjoy yours, and I'll see you next time. Bye.